Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. This is the second half of my video because I made a Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, and Matic video. So now I'm going to make the Cardano, Solana, Shib, and Avalanche video. I just running out of time, and this is a big day. Big stuff's going on. So what do we have? Well, what chart was this? This is my Binance chart. Well, let's see. Why does this chart does not look good? Let's see. Let's go to Coinbase, guys. And guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, education purpose only. This was an old chart. Coinbase. Hmm. I don't. Let's see. We had some great levels, but guys, this chart is really old and messy. So we're just going to concentrate on this area here. What did we get? 58. I can't. This is one that baffled me because I don't know how I didn't pick that up. Where did I make my mistake? Maybe I did have it. I erased it. I don't know how I missed this. Guys, I do apologize because I had 50 down here, which was a great level. I did miss this 50 right here. Based on this candle right here. I apologize for that, guys. I mean, that was a big fumble on my part. I mean, you could see where we nailed Shib to even the decimal. I mean, look at that, 13.47. We had 13.46. Solano. Solano, actually, I didn't think we were going to go that low. So that was I actually didn't prepare for that one. I was thinking 65, and we got down to, what was it, 60? Ah, you know, this move, guys, I actually was not prepared for it to go down this fast. I thought we would go down like we talked about in my Bitcoin video. I'll put a link in the description. We talked about it, everything tanking. We're going to go back to Cardano too. We talked about everything tanking, but this move happened a little bit bigger than I thought it was going to. Um, yeah, so now we're looking at bounce areas over here, which we're kind of getting those bounces. So we'll see what happens. Let's see, what do we got right now? I'm ready to just erase this whole chart because this thing is just, um, you know what? Let's do this, guys. Let's remove all drawings. Gone, out of here. What do we have? Let's get the bigger picture here because I was tired of looking at that. That was just too much ugliness. Enough's enough. Okay. Let's look. Let's do this right. We're really going to get into these, lay into these charts. Um, Potential bump and run there. Right? Guys, you know I love those bump and runs. This might take some time to develop, but definitely a nice bump and run. Let's see a bottom move. Let's look at the bottom move. Let's go ahead and grab a fib. It's just a generic 618. Let's see. Let's see up. And this was a low here. No, this was a low here. Let's take that. Hope I got that on right. Oh, that kind of lines up with this area right now. How did I not pick up on that? That bothers me, guys. I mean, how did I miss that fib? How did I miss that fib? Oh, that's so embarrassing, guys. How did I miss that? Oh, absolutely just heartbreaking on my part. Um, Not only did we have a candle there, but I just completely missed it. There it is, right there from top to bottom. Ah, how did I miss that? Oh, guys, I apologize. That's embarrassing. How do you miss a move like that for when you're coming down and you got and you're looking at a chart? I guys, you know what? I am so sorry. That is my fault. I did not prepare you well for this at all. I mean, luckily we're still down there, but that's still 5% you could have made off the top. Just saying, hey, I'm buying this fib on this dip. Oh, it's embarrassing, guys. Woof. All right, so now what do we got? So we got a target to the downside. If we break that level, what would we get? Let's look. Let's look. Let's dig even deeper, guys. Let's dig even deeper. Oh man, that's so embarrassing. How did I do that? How did I do that? All right, we're digging deeper. We're digging deeper. All right, so if we do break this level, so if this 50 anywhere from 61.8 to 57.5, if that level does break, then I'd be looking in this range anywhere from 48.7 to 43.5. That would be those would be my two ranges to the ups or to the downside. I'm sorry. To the upside, well, we definitely want to get past this 50-day moving average, which is coming in right around 50, or I'm sorry, 96 cents basically. But let's just get a fib area, short-term fib pool right here. So to the upside, my first target on this move, on this bounce, would be that 78.2 to 79.6. We're really digging into these charts now that we have some time, because I really wanted to do this for you guys. And then my next move to the upside would be this 102 to 99 area. Okay. So those are my two moves to the upside, two moves to the downside. Now you guys are all set up for Cardano. You can pause the video right there. I'll let you guys pause it, and we'll move on to Solana. Solana, just another embarrassing how we have SHIB. You know what, guys? Look, I want to show you these beautiful trades that we had here. Look at this. Just all, and guys, you got to understand, on my channel, I was talking about this when it was like 20 something dollars, and we were buying it all the way back here. Actually, when it bounced off the 200, boom. So that was awesome. And then it went all the way up to the top. We had this top side target too at 268. We crushed it. We absolutely crushed it on here. Then we talked about the death cross breaking down here. Then we had another trade where we talked about this W pattern right here. Okay, so we had this W pattern. Okay, with when it breaking and the target up here, which was right here. We played that trade perfect. That was a huge gain. Look at that. Boom, boom. Look at my target was the purple, or my buy zone was the purple box. Guys, you don't understand. I set all this up before it even happens. And look at that. That was a nice 80-something% move. And you guys know, of course, we know about the SHIB and the 1,000% there, and how we just absolutely crush it every time on that one. But what do I like to see? Well, let's get a higher term time frame above 65, and let's start working our way back up into this purple box area here, anywhere from 75 to 80. Of course, we want to see that. But you guys can see some of my moves here. I'm actually just gonna just do the same thing. I'm gonna remove all drawings. We're getting rid of everything. Okay. And I still like this play right here, which is a bump and run. Now, this will take time to develop, guys. Okay. But, oh, shoot, didn't lock. But when this actually plays out, this is when, if you can be patient enough, this is when you take the trade. Okay. Because, um, I like to trade because that's what I like to do, but I'm good at reading charts. But if you're just saying, hey, you know what, Moondog, I just want to chill, and then I want to get a big move to the upside, well, you wait for this to break, and then your target to the upside would be this 268 level, and it could go a lot higher from there. So the bump and run would be huge, but it could happen all the way up until, let's see, even depending how far down we go, even into late December or even November. It just depends where this breaks. Of course, we could always get some kind of crazy pump, but um, it's either way. It's going to take some time to develop. Even if we start moving up from here into June, even July, you know what I mean. So just keep an eye on that. What do we see here? How much time do we have left? Oh, we still got plenty of time. All right, so let's do this. Let's go ahead and grab a fib from here. Come on, lock. Boom. We'll go up to here. How did I miss that? So that's not right. It would be this one. This would. Why am I pulling these lows? This is the low. Why would I grab that one? This one. I don't know, guys. I'm tired. Very, very tired. Boom. There's our move. How did I miss it? I don't know. Same thing with Cardano. Oh, guys, this is why it is very important to clean up your charts. This is the reason. And look, we're actually getting rejected. What do we have? 66? We're actually getting rejected at that 66. So let's see if that breaks. Oh, man. I am so sorry, guys. I'm embarrassed. This is embarrassing. I'm embarrassed of my own self that we get all these great levels, and then I do something like this in a critical moment. Um, Man, I'm embarrassed. This is amateur hour. Why I didn't have this level down here. I underestimated the move, guys, and a big mistake on my part. Um, I didn't think we were going to go this fast. I thought it was gonna. I thought it was gonna go down, guys. But I thought by Tuesday we'd be hitting the 28, 29 mark on Bitcoin, and we came down a little bit quicker. If you guys see my Bitcoin chart over here, we nailed this target perfect. But we broke this target, which I thought we could get, and this is my new target. You guys can watch that video. I'll put a link in the description. I just did it just a couple hours ago. We talked about all these Dogecoin and Matic. Look, we crushed on Matic and everything. But I thought Bitcoin, guys, Bitcoin runs the market. So I thought it was going to go just a little bit slower. And then by Tuesday, we'd hit this bottom and then start to move our way back up and then flip back over and maybe get down in this area, depending on if the chart flips. You guys can watch that video. But this is just I'm embarrassed. I apologize, but we are in a good bounce zone, guys. So let's see if these bounce zones hold up. The next one I'd be looking for. Let's see here. Come on, lock. Next one I'd be looking for would be right around 55. Yeah, I could see that, but I'm not going to put that fib there for that. It's a little cluttery. Come on, lock it, lock it, lock it, lock it. Actually, we're going to do that right there. 53. And then we're going to do one more, guys. One more. Just because I want this to be good for you guys. Because this is that was just embarrassing. How disgusting. All right. I don't know about that one. This is the low end target, guys. That's a low end target right there. 38.34. That's a low end target. So if it gets really, really out of hand with Bitcoin, then yeah, those could be your targets. But let's concentrate on this right now. And to the upside, let's go ahead and just get you an upside target. My first one would be right around here at 81 to 82 area. Kind of what we already talked about, I think, earlier when I had my ugly chart up. Yeah. And then that would be on a higher, say we make a bigger move, and this would be another bigger move. Target 2 be right around this area, 91 to 93. And then short term, let's see if we can find something on a short term move based on a short term time frame. Let's see, bang. Let's see, we came down. We got a high right here and right here. It came down right here. Let's take this one right here. 71 to 72. Okay. So now you guys got some targets for Solano. And so now Solano's looking good. You got some short term, some bigger moves. We'll see how that plays out. You guys can see what you got here. You can pause the video, kind of check that out. And then, wait for that bump and run. How much time I got left? I got 5 minutes. So we're going to talk about Shib Army, Shib Nation. Guys, I mean, I don't think you can get better than this. I mean, at 13.46, and we got down to 13.47. I mean, come on, that's incredible. Okay. I mean, that's incredible. And I did that in yesterday's video, guys. Yesterday's video. We talked about that area. This is also an ugly chart. I'm looking at that 13 to hold up, because if not, I mean, really, the bottom kind of falls out. We may have one more level of support here, guys, at 1208. Once that 1208 breaks, I mean, we're looking anywhere from this area right here, from 970 to 9. So I mean, that's insane. If we go back down there, guys, I might be taking advantage of that on Shib for sure. I mean, I was. Hey, listen, guys, I'll be honest with you. I was a buyer here, and I'm not a financial advisor. Everything you say is just my opinion, education purpose only. But I was buying at that 13, just because I figured, we get a short term move, and if we do go down to that 12, I don't think we're gonna hit this area down here. Um, Thought I just got a brush out. I don't think we're gonna hit this area down here. Why is that? Oh, that's because I don't want the brush. I want this. But if we do, that's another big area. All right. And to the upside, what do we got for Shib Army, Shib Nation? Well, we're going to pull a fib from here to here. Boom. Down to here. I'd be looking at that 1874 to 1900 area, and this 17 to 16. Okay. So that would be another area I'd be looking at. All right. Let's see. We're running out of time. So Shib, we got our downsides. You got your upsides. Um, let's go to Avalanche. Where my green box in Avalanche? Yeah, and this was kind of a bigger setup of this area, this range that we're trading in now. Um, which I had 48, got down to 40. In this range, anywhere from, I mean, I guess that makes sense. 40, we basically almost had 50 to 30, and we got broke dead even. Um, but this chart's getting ugly too. So we're gonna do the same thing. Move drawings. Bust out some fibs. Let's see, what do we got here to here. Let's do one from here. Actually, here. Well, that kind of lines up with my 30 area, and then we're gonna take one from here to up here. Wow, guys. How did I miss that? Another embarrassing moment in my life. Now you got two targets. This one where we're currently getting the bounce from, and then this if it does break down, this would be your next one. You can pause the video. I am just absolutely, I don't know what the heck I was doing on these charts, but I don't know. I always have this stuff ready for you guys. To the upside, 58 to 59. If we do get a higher term time frame above here, that would be one of my targets. If we go a little bit higher, then I'd be looking at, if we don't make any new lows here, if we make a lower low, then we'd have 65, 67. If we make a lower low on this and we break under this 39 or 40 area, then these targets would come down. So just keep that in mind, all right, on all these moves. All right. So we want to stay above the last low, which was that 40 mark. Okay. So I think that's it for tonight's video on Cardano, Solana, Shib, and Avalanche. Much love to all you guys. I'm going to get this stuff out to you, and peace out.